Good afternoon everyone. Today in this lecture we will discuss about the definition of data structure. Data structure is the subject which will come in our third semester. So before starting the new subject, first of all I will introduce myself. I am Nitya Khare, assistant professor in SIRTE CSE department. So first of all, after the introduction we will discuss the syllabus, scheme and the unit wise description of the subject data structure. So this is the scheme of third semester. In this scheme, the data structure code is CS303. Data structure total contribute 150 marks in the third semester scheme. The 70 marks is reserved for end semester exam, 20 marks is reserved for mid semester exam, 10 marks is reserved for quiz and assignment, and the practical section is also cover 50 marks in this scheme. So the 30 marks is reserved for end semester practical exam or external viva, and 20 marks is reserved for lab work and sessional. Okay, so this is all about the scheme of third semester for data structure. Or these are the books or reference books which will used in our subject for data structure. So first book is SOM series and the second one is GS Baluja using C. This is the first unit of subject data structure. In first unit we will discuss about the definition of the data structure and two other type of data structure. First is linear data structure, or in linear data structure section we will learn about two types of data structure. First is array and second is linked list. In the second unit we will discuss or learn about the other two types of data structure. First one is stack and the another one is queue. In unit third we will learn about the basic concept of tree and AVL tree, heap tree and the application of tree, and the some other types of tree like multi-way tree, B plus tree. And in our fourth unit we will learn about the graph traversal algorithms, applications of graph, minimum standing tree, and in our last unit we will learn and discuss about the topic sorting and searching. So in this topic we will cover various type of sorting techniques, and in searching we will discuss about the various types of searching techniques and the comparison of these techniques, and some other topics like application of various data structure in operating system and DBMS. Okay, thank you.